My parents always told me to do what I love, even if it's different to what everyone else was doing. I remember my dad always saying, aim for the stars, and if it doesn't work, the clouds will catch you and you can try again. They really supported me and inspired me to become a marine scientist, to do something I care about. When I was growing up, I never noticed plastic pollution on the beaches where I lived. I always used to draw in the sand for hours with a stick or a small stone. However, now I go back to the same beaches and I notice plastic everywhere. Rather than do nothing and watch it get worse, I want to fix it. I'm very happy that my research has helped to stop the use of microbeads, tiny pieces of plastic that can be damaging to animals, humans, and the environment. Many beauty companies all over the world used to put them in facial scrubs and shower gels. My research showed how dangerous they are and helped change the laws in many countries. I'm currently researching how many microplastics come off clothes in the washing machine and how to stop them going into the ocean. I'd like to inspire everyone to do one thing, such as saying no to a plastic bottle. I think it would have a huge positive impact on our environment. Plastic pollution is a huge problem, but by working together, it can be fixed. I hope I can inspire more people to make a positive difference in the world.